Why do fans misunderstand walk versus single value in baseball statistics? Imagine watching a game and hearing someone say a player is not very good because he only hits singles. But is that really true? Fans often think singles are more valuable than walks, but that's not the full story. Let's break down why this misunderstanding happens and what the real facts are. First, traditional baseball stats focus heavily on batting average, which is hits divided by at-bats. Singles directly increase batting average because they are hits. Walks, however, do not count as at-bats, so they don't boost batting average at all. This makes fans see hits as more important because they show up clearly in the stats they're used to. Next, walks are easier to explain because they happen when a pitcher throws for balls outside the strike zone, and the batter gets to go to first base without swinging. Singles involve hitting the ball into play, which depends on many factors like defense, weather, and even how the scorer judges the play. Because singles are more active and visible, fans tend to see them as more skillful and valuable. Walks seem passive or lucky, even though they help a team get on base more often. Another reason is how stats treat these events. Walks contribute to on-base percentage, which measures how often a player reaches base by any means. On-base percentage is a better way to see a player's overall ability to get on base. Singles affect both batting average and slugging percentage, which measures total bases from hits. Walks do not count towards slugging because they don't involve hitting the ball. So, if fans only look at batting average or slugging, they might overlook how important walks really are. Many fans also think hitting singles is more exciting because it involves making contact with the ball and advancing runners. Walks don't seem as dramatic, even though they create scoring chances. This emotional view can make people undervalue walks, even though they are a key part of scoring runs. Modern statistics like weighted on-base average give walks nearly as much value as singles. This shows that walks are just as important in helping teams score. The combined metric called on-base plus slugging adds together on-base percentage and slugging percentage, giving a full picture of a player's offensive contribution. Over time, advanced stats have shown that players who walk a lot can be just as valuable as those who hit many singles. In the end, fans misunderstand the value of walks versus singles because traditional stats highlight hits and batting average. Walks are simpler events that don't stand out as much, and emotional perceptions favor hits. But from a real baseball perspective, walks help players get on base and create scoring chances just like singles do. Modern stats help us see that walks are nearly as important as hits when it comes to helping teams win games.